dito po sa satellite office ng PBL in the arena in San Juan. And that was regarding the men's basketball team ng Pilipinas na ipapadala sa 2007 Southeast Asian Games in Thailand. What can you say about that, Coach?
That's he looks pretty familiar. Hindi ko lang kung sino ba yan? Si Richard De Losario yata yung nakita.
If you don't know who that guy is, mga kaibigan, that's the brother of Coach Alan Gregorio, Mr. Pato Gregorio, heading the SBP. And siya po ang namumuno sa Brain Trust na magdadala ng Pilipinas to its former basketball glory in the Southeast Asian Games. Balik po tayo sa ball game. Bo Belga, mid-range. Erwin Santa Maria bothered by the defense. Intal. Binigay muna dito kay Maki Escalona. Nakawala si Escalona. The kick up. Santa Maria for three. But look at Kramer. Here's Chico Lanete. Chad Alonso nalibre sa kanan. Too weak on the shot. Dunsil, second time around. That one will go in. And with a foul.
And you've got to remember that he was our best player the last time out. Jojo Dunsil scored 9 points. And very importantly, nakita natin dito na tinutuloy pa niya yung ganda ng laro niya last game. Very good offensive rebound. Look at this power in the upper body strength para dito kay Jojo Dunsil.
Sinabitan na ng lahat, mga kaibigan. He still had the upper body strength to finish that. And Jojo Dunsil on the line right now for a bonus free throw. Fails to complete the play, pero bola babalik dito. A good offensive board for Chad Alonso and a fresh shot clock para sa Harbor Center. Here's Alonso, top of the key. Binigay mo na dito kay Aranya. Aranya is bothered by Marquis. And there's going to be a foul. First personal on Marquis.
It was a good double teaming effort that time by Doug Kramer. Pero bago dumating yung double team, tinalunan ni Ryan Aranya to. And Marquis didn't expect that. It's a good call. 2 free throws right here. Or is it sideline lang pala. Hindi nila binigyan ng 2 free throws. Ito si Ryan Aranya.
Don Dulay already in para dito sa kupunan. Kasi Bono Luwalier pero padala. Baseline throw in napunta kay Aranya. Gives it to Al Vergara. Lamang dito ng anim ang Harbor Center. Al Vergara trying to escape Don Dulay. Vergara, the penetration. And he scores.
And it's a very tough shot over Doug Kramer. Idinaan sa ilalim ng Lecky ni Doug Kramer. At hindi ko nasasabihin kung anong sinabi ni Doug Kramer. Nagulat na nagsispa si Al Vergara yun.
Another David and Goliath play. Pero ito, masyadong madikit ang depensa ni Jojo Dunsil. He will be tagged with another personal. At ito, babalikan natin mga kaibigan yung last play na napabilib. Itong si Coach Alan Gregorio. Yung tinawag niyang Lecky layup. Galing dito kay Al Vergara. Talagang pinahiya yung Kramer, ha?
Mahirap talaga yun.
Pinahiya, ha?
Mahirap yun. Pero tinitingnan ko itong lineup dito ng Harbor Center. At tingnan mo naman ito. This is just the second team as what they're claiming. But this team can win a championship for any other ball club, partner.
Solid no?
Solid.
Ariel Capus making good sa kanyang free throws.
There's one guy who's got to step up in offense. Ariel Capus scored 14 points against Toyota the last time out.
And right now, anim ang labang ng Harbor Center. Chad Alonso. Nawala ng espasyo dito. Gives it back to Al Vergara. Vergara. Over to Alonso. Dunsil for three. And the rebound by Doug Kramer. Don Dulay. Thinking about it, gives it back to Kramer. Nako ulit ni Dulay. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Dulay using the screen. Finds Kramer on the left.
A challenge by Bo Belga, but nevertheless, Doug Kramer still makes that tough shot. 1 minute and 15, just a 4-point lead right here para sa Harbor Center as a foul is being called by Marquis. Usually si Ryan Aranya yung nagaganan, naninimple, pero ito si Marquis, away from the ball. I don't know if that was caught. Ito, tingnan muna natin yung magandang tira nito si Doug Kramer.
Yeah, both sides, Coach Alan, he fired the same kind of shot on the other side. Ganun ka-effective ngayon itong si Doug Kramer for Cebuana Lawilier. 6 points in the ball game for Big Doug. As Aranya penetrates. Binigay kay Chad Alonso. Tinignan muna kung nasan siya. Aranya. Still nothing. And look at the hustle from this guy.
One thing working for Ryan Aranya. You know, he's not the most athletic person I've ever seen, but his timing is just awesome.
Bo Belga trying to challenge Solis. Belga bumping bodies. And an offensive foul on Bo Belga.
You've got to credit ito si Solis for doing a good job on the acting side that time. Talaga namang yun ang mga moves nito si Bo Belga. But a little too strong for Solis was Bo. Kaya sabi niya sa mga referee, kailangan tumulsit ako ng konti.
May konti lang no? 22-18 Harbor Center namamayani dito sa first quarter with only 42 seconds left. This is again game number 1 ng ating 2007 PBL Unity Cup Finals. Vergara with a steal. Vergara. Mintis yung kanyang short stab. And Kramer with another big board. Ariel Capus with a stutter step. And he loses it. Bullet pass to Ryan Aranya. Aranya is smacked hard. And he was expecting that from Doug Kramer.
That's right. So much action we're seeing right here. We're only in the first quarter. 22-18. At ilan ang fouls ito si Marquis? Was it called on Marquis? I think that's going to be the third foul on Marquis.
Well, I'm pretty sure itong si Coach Luigi Trillo is tasking Marquis to step up on defense. Pero 3 personal fouls, he will be having a difficulty towards the end of the game.
Buti lang din, hindi tinawag kay Doug Kramer yung foul na yan, no?
Alfie Grijaldo checks in.
Sabi siguro ng mga referees, teka lang, masyado na yata nagiging physical yung laro at we've got to maintain some sort of discipline pagdating sa mga hard fouls being done here in the first quarter.
Aranya. Chad Alonso ngayon, trying to move baseline. Alonso skies. And Chris Villardo almost traveling. Napunta kay Solis. Solis, the pirouette. And that was too close para dito sa Cebuana Lawilier. Pera padala. And the infraction was called on Ryan Aranya, I think.
And 2 things that Harbor Center wants to be called here. Unang-una yung pagkatawag niya kay Ryan Aranya, he felt he just challenged the shot. But more than that, it was a traveling na nauna, no? Bago nakuha ni Solis. Ito, tingnan muna natin to. Bakit foul ang tinawag dito kay Ryan Aranya?
Well, Ryan's left hand medyo malapit sa mukha nito si Solis. And that's where the infraction was called. And obviously, hindi nagustuhan dito ni Coach George Gallant yung tawag. Our officials still talking about that particular call. And lamang pa rin dito ang Harbor Center, 22-18 mga kaibigan.
And it's Ariel Capos who wants to take these 2 free throws. I thought it was Solis who was fouled.
Oo nga
2 technical free throws for Ariel Capos.
So technical free throws coming up for Ariel Capos.
Tama. Hindi naman pala foul kasi, no? So it was a technical foul because Ryan Aranya's hand was again too close sa mukha nga nung jump shooting Solis.
Ariel Capos missing his first technical free throw. Makes the second.
There we have the first quarter. The score is 19-19
22-19 mga kaibigan for Harbor Center. We'll be back after this break.